FDA Registration Assistance presents. One of the biggest mistakes food companies make is assuming that a professionally designed label is automatically FDA compliant. The reality is that many food labels contain mistakes that can create regulatory concerns, costly reprints, shipment delays, and marketplace issues. The good news? Most FDA labeling mistakes are completely avoidable. Let's look at some of the most common FDA food label mistakes and how your company can avoid them. One of the most common labeling issues involves the nutrition facts panel. Common mistakes include incorrect serving sizes, improper nutrient calculations, missing required nutrients, outdated formatting, or using a nutrition facts panel that does not comply with current FDA requirements. The nutrition facts panel is one of the first areas regulators and retailers often review. Getting it right is critical. Food allergen labeling is another area where companies frequently make mistakes. FDA requires clear identification of major food allergens when present. Examples include milk, eggs, fish, crustacean shellfish, tree nuts, peanuts, wheat, soy, sesame, and other applicable allergen declarations. Missing allergen information can create serious compliance and consumer safety concerns. Ingredient statements must follow specific FDA requirements. Common mistakes include ingredients listed out of order, using improper ingredient names, failing to declare sub-ingredients, or omitting ingredients entirely. The ingredient statement should accurately reflect the product formulation and follow FDA labeling conventions. Many companies accidentally create FDA problems through product claims. Statements suggesting that a food product can diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent disease may trigger regulatory concerns. Examples include claims such as cures diabetes, lowers blood pressure, treats arthritis. Food products generally cannot make drug-type claims without creating significant compliance risks. Marketing language should always be reviewed carefully. FDA generally requires labels to identify the responsible company associated with the product. Common issues include missing business information, incomplete address information, or unclear identification of the responsible firm. This information helps consumers and regulators identify the company responsible for the product. The net quantity statement tells consumers how much product is inside the package. Common mistakes include improper unit declarations, incorrect formatting, improper placement, or inaccurate quantity statements. While these issues may seem minor, they are frequently identified during label reviews. Many imported food products are labeled correctly for their home country but fail to meet FDA requirements. Different countries often have completely different labeling standards. As a result, products that are perfectly compliant overseas may still require changes before being marketed in the United States. This is one of the most common issues affecting imported food products. FDA food labeling requirements can become complicated quickly. That is why food companies around the world trust FDA registration assistance. Our team assists with FDA food label reviews, nutrition facts reviews, ingredient and allergen reviews, food facility registration, U.S. agent services, and broader FDA food compliance support. Since 2013, we have helped companies in more than 135 countries prepare products for the U.S. market. A label mistake discovered after production can become expensive. A label mistake discovered before printing is much easier to fix. If your company manufactures, imports, or distributes food products in the United States, FDA registration assistance can help review your labels before problems arise. Contact our team today to learn more.